Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the pillow cube. I actually already unboxed it. I just got it today. It's 8 p.m. and I was so excited. I took it out of the box. It comes in this plastic bag and this is what it looks like. I just took it out of the box and I left it here for like 1 minute already to rise up. It was vacuum sealed and pressed tight. This is just it. I'm gonna move backwards so you can see it better. It does not look like a cube. It's a rectangle. That's a pillow rectangle. I really hope it works because I have the worst back pain and neck pain in history. Like I go to bed dreading to sleep because sometimes I wake up with a migraine, and it's been a problem like this since I've had my 2 children. I'm so desperate for a solution. So if you're watching this video and you know a solution for me, please let me know. I'm currently seeing a pelvic floor therapist, a chiropractor. I am learning how to sleep the proper way for my back and my sides. I'm doing as much as I can to make my body go back to normal, but I'm still dreading it. I've tried like 8 different pillows so far. They're all on my floor, just scattered around. I will show you some of them. This is the Lisa pillow that my husband is using. This is the one I bought a few months ago. This is called the Easy Breather pillow, recommended by the New York Times as a bestseller. This is the Active Core pillow, also recommended. I read it somewhere, I don't remember where. This is the Co-op Home Goods pillow, very expensive on Amazon. It was like $100 per pillow, and then I change it every year. It's recommended you change it every year. So it's like every year I spend $100 on this. It really, some other pillow. I got this one. This is a My Pillow. It's supposed to be a neck pillow. Does it work? It works a little bit. I have other pillows just scattered around my house. But anyway, I'm the pillow queen. I am desperate for a solution, so I'm trying everything and spending all the money for this. As crazy as it is. But anyway, this is the pillow. I'm waiting for it to rise properly because this is still like kind of sunken. It's not as puffy as I expect it to be. I don't even know what I'm expecting, truth be told, from this thing. I wish that I could take a video of me laying down so you could see what it feels like. Sorry about my messy bedroom. I'm just gonna lay down on it because I feel like the best reviews are the ones where someone actually shows you what's going on. I just put my blanket to the side, so I'm gonna put my head on the pillow. From first impression, I feel like it really is supportive. I'm not the best side sleeper. I find this to be so uncomfortable to sleep on my side because after a while my neck starts to hurt, my ear starts to hurt, and I have TMJ pain too. It's the worst when you sleep on your side and you can feel like your TMJ throbbing and you know the migraine is coming soon. Like you have to switch to your back. You can't always stay on your back the whole night. At some point you have to roll to your sides. I've never met any back sleeper that stayed on their back the whole night. It's impossible. So you need a pillow that helps you stay on your side. From what I am experiencing with this, it's very firm. It definitely keeps my head supported. I feel very supported with this, you know. I have extremely broad shoulders, as you can see. So the recommendation is that a pillow, I hope you can hear me. The recommendation is that the pillow needs to fill the space between your ear and the mattress. So let me stand up for a few minutes. Let me see. So here is my very broad shoulders. From what I read a long time ago, if you're buying a pillow, the proper pillow is the one that keeps your head in a straight alignment like this when you're laying down. So it needs to fill the distance between your ear and your shoulders. Because I have broad shoulders, look at the space, the gap that the pillow has to fill. That's a very large, I can measure it, I wish I could. Let me find a piece of something. Here's a pen that I'm gonna use to measure it. Sorry about my, I feel like I have to give you the best review. So here's this, pretend this is a measurement. Distance between my ear and my shoulder is ear and, it's kind of crazy. Ear and shoulder. Okay, so about this long. This is the distance between my ear and shoulder. Imagine a pillow that has to be this big, this thick, to give me proper alignment because of my crazy broad shoulders. And that's the problem I have. I can never find a pillow that's thick enough that keeps my head in the right position, in the right alignment all night long. Because after a while, it starts to sink in and starts compressing, and before you know it, my neck is no longer in alignment and I'm tilted. So I wake up with a migraine, and that's been a big problem of mine. Waking up with migraines is the worst. I dread going to sleep and I dread waking up. I don't want a life like that anymore. So I'm really hoping this pillow cube works. Now that it's not compressed but expanded, you can see the thickness. That was the distance that I measured before, something like this. I feel like it fills it up a little bit compared to other pillows. I've also tried pillows, the Co-op Home Goods, the one I showed you before. It's one that you can feel. It comes, how do I describe it? The pillow itself has a zipper that you unzip, and it has, like, they call it fluff. It comes with fluff, extra fluff that you can stuff in there to make it as thick as you want it to be. But even that, after a while, your head starts to sink. There is no perfect pillow. But anyway, I'll go back. This has been like after about 5 to 8 minutes of it rising, just to see what it looks like again. Look how comfy. I can feel my head compressing already. That's always my problem. Look how much it compressed, but it rises back up. Compression. It rises back up. It compresses a little, but when you leave it, it comes right back up. I like that. It's foam, but I don't think it's bad foam, so I really hope it works for me. I'm desperate. Anyway, thank you for watching my review, and I'm excited. For any questions you might have, just leave it in the comments. The way you support my channel is by watching this video to the end, sharing it with your friends and family, or on your social media. Another way you can support my channel is to like, subscribe, or comment for the algorithm. Leave me any comment, even if it's just to say thank you for the review, or I appreciate you taking the time, whatever it is. So just to say hi, just say hi. But the more comments and likes and subscribe that I get, the more the YouTube gods will show my video to other people. So I appreciate your support. If you want me to do reviews of all the pillows I have in my house, there are a lot of them. And the mattresses, don't get me started on mattresses, because I have bought up to like 5 different mattresses in the last year alone. I am not kidding. And they're not like mattresses from the store. They're like name brand mattresses recommended by the New York Times, because I'm over here trying to find the perfect mattress and pillow for my body and my back. So I can do reviews of those as well. We're currently testing the Leesa mattress, and what's the one I just gave away? I don't remember the names. They escaped me. But anyway, thank you for watching my video once again, and see you on the next time.